looks like I was not expecting to catch a... I'm on. Another one. Got one.
What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video today, and I'm on the river trying to get after some smallmouth. Now it's a bit of a rainy day, but we did come prepared. There is people in the spot that I originally wanted to go to, so we're gonna fish over here for a little bit. Here we go.
The spot that I wanted to go to down there is taken right now. You can still get in that area with the fast moving water, which is where I believe the smallmouth will be hiding. So we're gonna fish in this area for a little bit. I'm gonna start off with the jig. We'll see what happens. Here we go. What the heck? There's a sweatshirt right here as well. Oh, I just had a bite. Had another bite. Wait, they left. The people just left the spot I wanted to go to, so I'm gonna take one more cast here because I did feel a fish, and then I'm gonna head down to that spot I wanted to go to. And I have a really good feeling about today because it's been on and off raining all day, which in my opinion really turns on the fish, especially the smallmouth in a location like this. So I'm gonna head down to that location. I'll catch you there. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about over here. Some rough terrain, but good thing I got the Crocs in sports mode today. Oh yeah. Right in that fast moving water, sure to be some smallmouth. Here we go. All right, this is my first time trying this spot, and I'm gonna start out with this little black hula popper. I'm gonna toss it right in that moving water. All right, for some reason my popper's acting a little bit weird. It's not floating the way I want it to, so I'm gonna switch to something else. All right, I'm gonna switch it up to this jerk bait type bait. Let's hope for something big. All right, I'm switching to the jig. Here we go. Oh, in that last spot, something bit off both of the arms to my crawfish. What the heck? All right, I'm not sure if my camera was recording, but I'm throwing this bait, and I just had a smallmouth bite me right at shore, but it came off. But I have a feeling I'm gonna hook up with another one fairly shortly. All right, I'm gonna try and go back to the popper. It seems like they're hitting top water. I'm back with the hula popper. Let's see. Well, this popper's not doing what I want it to do. All right, we've completed half the battle. We found the fish. Now the hard part is just getting them to bite. So I've decided to switch to this more natural color and a little bit smaller appearance. Let's see if that helps. Come on, fishies. I know they're in there. Something just missed me. All right, I have an idea. And it starts with chatter and ends with bait. All right, time for the chatter bait. I really hope they're biting on this. This will be a fun thing to use. This isn't working how I want it to. Man, I cannot figure out these fish. Oh, he came off. I had one. Right after I said I cannot figure them out. Got one. I'm on. Feels pretty decent. He's trying to get under these rocks. Get up here, buddy. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, it's a largemouth. There we go. First fish of the day. Gives me hope. See you, buddy. Yes. Awesome. First fish of the day on this little jerkbait. A largemouth. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I had another one. All right. I think I figured out how to work this bait. Another one. There we go. Oh, that looks like a walleye. Oh, dude, that's a walleye. Look at that. What the heck?
Is it a keeper?
Yeah, probably, but I was not expecting to catch a walleye out of here. What the heck? Look at that, guys. A nice fat walleye. It'd be good eating if we were eating it, but we're letting it back today. Oh my. Oh yes, I'm figuring out the fish, guys. I am figuring it out. That's exactly like I was saying. Finding them is only half the battle. You got to figure out what they're gonna eat. That's the other half. These ducks need to get out of the way, or I'm gonna be catching a duck. Right. Oh, right as it hit the water, I had another one. I've got some. Oh, it came off. Wow, this bait can get the bites, but it sure has a hard time holding on to the fish. There's so many fish in here, guys. Oh no. Oh no, if I lose this bait, I'm done for. Oh, I got it out. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy about that. That was scary. This duck wants some of this. Look at him. He's posting up on me. Oh, I saw a fish jump out of the water. There's one. A little guy. I don't know what it is. Oh, I snagged a bluegill. Yeah, that'll happen using a jerk bait. Should be good. That is not what we're after. The bite has slowed down on the old jerk bait. I'm gonna switch to whopper flopper. Switching things up with this little whopper flopper. Let's go. Back to the jerk bait. These are some funny ducks. All right, I have an idea to get on a couple more fish. Here we go. This could be the golden ticket. Got something. Probably a bluegill. Oh, it's actually a little bass. Look at that, little largemouth. There we go. Maybe we're figuring something out. See you, buddy. Snag. Yep, lost it that time. All right, guys, I think I've said this a few times, but I really think that this little spinner with the jig head and the twister tail is gonna be the ticket. Let's see. There's one, guys. No, get out of there. Little sunfish. Well, this is gonna turn into a multi-species video. No. Oh my gosh. Let's hope I have another one. I'm back after that tragedy. Got a new rig on. Let's go. Darn it. Oh. That really sucks. All right, I'm going back to the bigger bait. Huh? Yeah. Got one. There we go. There's the smallmouth. Feisty guy. Oh, oh, came off. Come on, buddy. Awesome. Finally got a smallmouth on the day. Thanks for biting, buddy. See ya. This little jerkbait's been putting in the work today. All right, I've got another idea. My next idea is this topwater walk the dog style bait. Let's see. Oh, I just got a bite. Oh, I think that might be the cast. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Come here, buddy. A little largemouth. Oh, this guy's got like a messed up jaw. What the heck? It's like broken. Poor guy. Thanks for biting, buddy. Oh. I think I found the strat. If I can make that cast again. All right, I'm gonna switch back to that other lure for a little bit. Back to the shiny jerkbait. Oh, I had one. All right, switching back to top water. Well, we barely have any daylight left. All right, time for the whopper flopper. First cast with the whopper flopper. There we go. Nicer largemouth. First cast on the whopper flopper too. These things are pretty. Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. This is like $3.99.
Yeah. Yep. Well, it's time to switch lures again. I'm just gonna go in this cycle of what's been working. I'm gonna go whopper flopper, jerk bait, and then little spook bait. There's one. Got some fight in him. Oh. I snagged another bluegill. Holy crap, that guy is deformed. What the heck happened to this guy? Ow. I really don't like when this happens. It hurts the fish and they just flop around like crazy. All right, I'm going back to the spook. What the heck happened there? All right, back to the whopper flopper. Oh, he crushed it. Oh, he's jumping. This guy does not want to stay down. Oh, came off on shore. A nice strong smallmouth on the whopper plopper just before sundown. Thanks, buddy. Man, he ate that way out there. Oh, another one crushed it. Another one just missed. Darn it. Thank you. Have a good night, guys. I'd like to get one more before I end the video. My camera's about to die and it's getting dark and I still gotta pick up all my gear and get out of here. Well, I know it took a while, but I finally figured out what they're biting on. This nice little whopper plopper right here. Took me quite a while, but finally figured it out. Catching a few fish here last minute, still fun. This is definitely a spot I'll be returning to, but it seems like a lot of people want to be in this spot. I had some people waiting me out, but they aren't gonna wait me out. I'm addicted to this stuff. One more fish, and I'm out of here for the night. I can barely see my whopper plopper anymore. I need one, a buzzer beater, please. I don't know if it's gonna happen, guys. I'm trying. All right, one last cast. And then I'm out of here. It's getting too dark. Very well then.
Today's journey, we're willing to crotch. Today's journey started out with a search for the smallmouth bass and it ended with the smallmouth bass. Today's MVP was this silver looking whopper plopper. It caught the most fish for the day, and honestly, whopper plopper is my favorite bait to throw. It's just so fun to see the blow-ups. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.